Today, you get to receive the certainty that your best year yet will begin with a treat. The possibilities are infinite. There's only one star, and it is you. Your mental preparedness is where you dream. Your positive thinking and grateful attitude is your dream fund. Be more content with your life. Do not think about what you don't have. Yet count your blessings, the blessings you have right now. You have breath. Breathe. Be wise with your thoughts. Be wise with your words, because they become your reality. Attract what you believe. Today is your day one. Today is your do-over. Live beautifully. Be engaged with today. Be open to happiness. See what you say and say what you see. Live life simply. Come alive. Love a little, live a lot. Love a lot, live a lot. Live to love. Be extra. You got this. Be yourself. Cheers to you. Go outside under the sun. Go outside under the stars. Find, modify, and manage. There's a new way to look at life. You are the driver. You are in the driver's seat. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Explore the possibilities. Relax. The world is a magical place. You're preparing to live. Keep it simple. Complexity inhibits growth. It's real simple. Today is a new day. Today is a special day. Today you're breathing. Today is amazing. If it's great then, it's great now. Escape. Imagine life at the pool. Instant happiness awaits you. The good times are here. Celebrate. Smile. It's your best accessory. Power up. The world is yours. You are a solution. You have an unlimited line of creativity. Email a relative, DM a friend, have some fun. Remember, birds of a feather flock together. Support someone today. Give back. Teach someone. Encourage someone. Share your success secrets. Encouragement, strength, hope, and understanding is everything. Show your colors. When the road bends, adapt. Feel the freedom. Get in the groove. Step it up. Discover and go. You are the visible difference. Indulge in the unexpected. You are the one person who can make a difference. Focus on what's important. This moment is all you have. Breathe, breath, breathe, breath. Inhale, exhale. Give yourself breathing room. Your day may not slow down, but for a moment you can. Make the time between pickups, drop-offs, and drop-ins. Find your moment. If you've got a heart condition, the last thing you need to do is run all over town. Center yourself. Find your total peace of mind. Create joy. Start right here. Start right now. Start right where you are. Refill yourself to the overflow. Be happy. It's a brand new day. It doesn't get any better than this. Follow the sun. The next 8 hours will be very different. This moment will change everything. You're in the driver's seat. Slow down. You're noticeably lighter. Call the shots on your own care. Express yourself through grit, gravity, and grace. It's all about perspective. Think effortless. Inspire yourself. Go ahead. Reach out and touch your miracle. You are relaxed. You are ready. You have endless opportunities. There are opportunities amid uncertainty. You know the way. It's inside of you. Take time to celebrate this moment. You are elevating to a new level. You have entered a brilliant adventure, presenting a new day, presenting a new you, presenting a new mindset. You are faithful. You are fruitful. You are rising to new dimensions. You are dreaming bigger dreams. You are reinventing yourself. You have more willpower. You have exactly what you need. You are energetic. You look and feel amazing. Your life is improving. You are on the verge of a major breakthrough. Go ahead, move the world. Make joyful discoveries. Open the window, open the doors, open the gates. You have a seat at the table. It's time to celebrate you. You hold the key. You are the key. Momentum is here. Imagine. Get started today. Make the good life happen. Welcome to your new. Welcome to new experiences. Welcome to the exceptional life, the roar that unlocks your vision. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Today is a new day. Today is a new you. Your momentum is here. Open the door. The good life awaits you.